When it comes to kitchen essentials, a high-quality frying pan is non-negotiable. This Cooksy 12-inch Hexagon surface hybrid stainless steel frying pan with lid has captured the attention of culinary enthusiasts for its innovative design, versatility, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this pan promises to elevate your cooking experience. Let's dive deep into what makes the Cooksy frying pan stand out and why it's worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. Why the Cooksy pan is a game changer. Imagine a pan that combines the durability of stainless steel, the ease of nonstick cooking, and the aesthetic appeal of modern cookware. That's the Cooksy pan for you. Designed with a hybrid surface and high-performance materials, this pan doesn't just cook food, it transforms your cooking process into a seamless and enjoyable experience. Are you tired of pans that stick, scratch, or heat unevenly? The Cooksy pan has the solution. Keep reading to uncover its game-changing features and benefits that will make you wonder how you ever cooked without it. Key features that set the Cooksy frying pan apart. 1. Authentic Cooksy quality. The Cooksy frying pan carries the trusted Cooksy brand, synonymous with innovation and quality. Cooksy is known for designing products that meet the needs of both amateur and professional cooks, ensuring reliability and excellence in every product. 2. Hybrid surface technology. At the heart of this pan is its hybrid surface, which features a raised stainless steel pattern overlaying an Eterna by Whitford coating. This design offers the best of both worlds, flavor development. The raised stainless steel pattern helps bond food to the pan, enhancing flavors much like a traditional stainless steel pan. Easy release. The nonstick coating ensures food glides off effortlessly, reducing the need for excessive oils or butter. This unique surface not only delivers exceptional cooking results but also protects the nonstick layer from damage, extending the pan's longevity. 3. Metal utensil safe. Unlike traditional nonstick pans that are easily scratched by metal utensils, the Cooksy frying pan's hybrid surface provides superior protection. You can confidently use your favorite metal spatula or tongs without worrying about damaging the coating. 4. Even heating for perfect cooking. Say goodbye to hot spots. The pan's multi-layer construction, featuring a thick aluminum core, ensures even heat distribution. Whether you're searing meat or sautéing vegetables, you'll achieve consistent cooking results every time. Number 5. Oven-safe versatility. The Cooksy frying pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it a versatile tool for finishing dishes in the oven, baking, or keeping food warm before serving. From stovetop to oven, this pan does it all. 6. Easy cleaning and maintenance. One of the most appealing aspects of the Cooksy pan is its ease of cleaning. The non-stick coating requires minimal effort to wipe clean with warm water and a brush. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after any meal. 7. Comfortable, cool handle. The pan features an ergonomically designed handle that stays cool during stovetop use. Its sturdy construction ensures it remains securely attached to the pan, providing a safe and comfortable grip. 8. Compatibility with all cooktops. Whether you use a gas, electric, or induction cooktop, the Cooksy frying pan is designed to perform flawlessly. Its versatility makes it an ideal addition to any kitchen setup. Why should you choose the Cooksy frying pan? Cooking is an art, and the right tools can make all the difference. The Cooksy 12-inch Hexagon surface hybrid stainless steel frying pan with lid offers durability, built to withstand daily use without compromising on performance. Healthier cooking. The easy-release surface reduces the need for oils and fats, promoting healthier meals. Ease of use. From its even heating to effortless cleaning, this pan is designed to make cooking stress-free. Value for money. With its advanced features and robust design, the Cooksy pan is an investment that pays off in the long run. Imagine cooking without stress. Picture this. Your food cooks evenly, slides off the pan effortlessly, and cleaning takes mere seconds. That's the magic of the Cooksy frying pan. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your cooking experience. Final verdict: a must-have kitchen essential. The Cooksy 12-inch Hexagon surface hybrid stainless steel frying pan with lid is more than just a pan. It's a powerhouse of functionality, durability, and convenience. Its hybrid surface technology, even heating, and compatibility with all cooktops make it a versatile tool for any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, This pan will enhance your culinary creations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.